Oh no, I just read from the Bible that Jesus will get betrayed by Judas. I need to save him. I'm gonna time travel. Oh, okay, I'm here. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Do you know where Jesus Christ of Nazareth is? Yes. Yes, sir. He's over there. He's teaching some cool words. He's preaching. Okay, thank you so much, sir. I have something important to do. Hello, everyone. Today I will teach you about the parable of the What? Jesus, please believe me. One of them will betray you, and Judas will betray you. I can see him smiling. I can see him laughing right there. Judas, stop hiding it. I know you will betray Jesus. Jesus, believe me, please. I already know. Now go back to your time.